In this video tutorial, we will look at the Add Record tool, which allows us to create our own records and to compare their performance with those in the database. Let's open Level 1 and press on the Tools button, Add Record, and select which data table to add the record to. Here, we can choose Material Universe. If we want to add records to Process Universe or other data tables, we press Other and change Data Table. For now, let's choose Material Universe. A new window appears. We can input data for a new Material Universe record here. We first need to add a name for the record. We will call it Material 1. We can change the colour of the record here. We'll keep it as orange for now. And notes can be added here. We can add data for as many or as little properties as required. Note that up to 10 records can be added to each selection project. Here, for example, let's open General Properties and enter density values of 400 to 600 kilograms per meter cubed. In Electrical Properties from the drop-down list, we can select the attribute Good Insulator. When we are happy, we can click OK. Note that your record is not added to the database, but that it can be saved with your project file. If you close the program without saving the project file, your record will be lost. If we now press on Browse to open up the material tree, we can see a new folder of materials called My Records. By double-clicking on the record, we can open the datasheet view of our new material. If we want to edit our record, we simply right-click and select Edit Record to open the record window once more. This time, under General Properties, let's add a price range of $10 to $20 per kilogram. Click OK and the record is updated. We can now take a look at how our record compares to other materials in a bubble chart. Going to Chart Select, we will create a chart stage. Let's plot a bubble chart of price against density and press OK. We can see now that our orange record is here, and by clicking and dragging to label the material, we can see it is Material 1. We can also add a record to an existing chart by right-clicking on the chart and selecting Add Record. This time, only the attributes involved in the selection project appear. Here, density and price. So let's add another record. We'll name it Material 2. Let's choose the colour purple, and entering our record values of density 2000 to 3000 kilograms per meter cubed, and a price of $300 to $400 per kilogram. Pressing OK, we can see the record now appears in our bubble chart here. And if we go back to Browse, we can see that it has also appeared in the My Records folder. In following video tutorials, you can learn about the other tools and different databases available in CES EduPack.